Hello and welcome to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making a sweet and simple treat your kids will love. Chocolate cupcakes made with just one egg. Yes, this recipe gives you 6 moist and fluffy cupcakes with just a few pantry ingredients. Let's get started. Start by cracking one egg and gently separating the yolk from the white. Beat the egg white for 1 minute using a whisk or hand mixer. Beating the egg white well makes your cupcake light and airy. Add 1/3 cup sugar and keep beating until the sugar dissolves. And the mixture becomes light and foamy. You can replace sugar with a natural alternative if you want to make it even healthier. Now pour in 1/4 cup oil and mix well. Add the egg yolk and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix again until smooth. For the dry ingredients, take 1/3 cup flour, 1½ tablespoon of cocoa powder, add half teaspoon baking powder. Sieve them together to remove lumps and keep the batter light. Mix well. Sifting the dry ingredients helps mix everything evenly and improve texture. Now pour in 1/4 cup milk and gently fold until the batter is smooth and flowing. Use room temperature milk and eggs for the best consistency. Now place paper cupcake molds in your tray and fill each one about 2/3 full. Portion control cupcakes like this are perfect for kids' tiffins or after school snacks. These cupcakes use oil instead of butter, which keep them light and moist. Homemade treats mean no preservative, no artificial colors. Place a deep pan on the stove with a wire stand inside. Preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the cupcake tray in the pan. Cover and cook for 15 to 18 minutes until the tops are soft and springy. And that's it, your soft, chocolatey cupcakes are ready to serve, perfect for little hands and happy faces. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a like, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more kid-friendly baking recipes. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite cupcake flavor. We love reading your ideas. Thank you for watching. Stay sweet, stay creative, and keep baking with love.